Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome app on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Google Chrome app on your iPhone, go on top of your App Store. First, make sure that you're connected to an internet, whether it's your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you open up your App Store, go to the search bar to the top, type in Google Chrome in the search box and make a search tab on the Get button right next to Google Chrome appearing at the very top. Now wait until the application gets downloaded on your iPhone. If you tap on the application, you'll be able to see further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and much more. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. You can browse faster on your iPhone and iPad with a Google Chrome browser. You can also use it for your desktop, Android, and other devices as well. Soon after the application gets downloaded and it's ready for use, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up right beneath the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Google Chrome on your iPhone. Tap on Accept and Continue at the bottom. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.